Shivoham and welcome to Life of Chikki. We are in 3rd standard along with our dear Arjuna and Chikki. And in Unit 3, Chikki needed a little bit of self-motivation. Arjuna was kind enough to show her that, and he gave her the example of the little acorn who became a huge tree. Today, Chikki and Arjuna are having a do-it-yourself day in their school. Chikki is motivated enough. She even has an idea for what she is going to do. But what is stopping her? Let's find out in this unit of Life of Chikki. Chikki says, I have an idea, Arjuna. What if we make a beautiful scene depicting all the stages of growth of a child, right from when it was a tiny little seed in the womb of the mother, and then the way it grows up as an infant, as a child, as a teenager, as an adult, and so on. And all of this using Lord Krishna's life story. How will that be? Arjuna says, that's a brilliant idea, Chikki. I'm glad you are inspired by the little acorn, how it grew from a seed to a tree, and Lord Krishna too grew up and became a huge tree supporting so many people, guiding so many people. But isn't it too much to do just for both of us today? Oh yes, and that's why I need your help. Remember the enormous turnip, Arjuna? Asks Chikki. And she narrates the story of the enormous turnip. Once upon a time, an old man planted some turnip seeds. The turnip seeds grew. The turnip seeds grew and grew. I want to pull up the enormous turnip, said the old man. The old man pulled and pulled, but he could not pull up the enormous turnip. An old woman came. I want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old man. I will help you, said the old woman. The old man and the old woman pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. A boy came. We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old woman. I will help you, said the boy. The old man and the old woman and the boy pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. A girl came. We want help to pull up that enormous turnip, said the boy. I will help you, said the girl. The old man and the old woman and the boy and the girl pulled and pulled. Up came the enormous turnip. We will help you to eat the enormous turnip, said the old woman and the boy and the girl, and they did. If they can do it, then so can we. We just need to inspire others in our class. Come, let's collect some crystals of unity. With the power of unity, we can make this happen, says Chikki. Arjuna is very happy to see what a little self-motivation has done to Chikki. And he and Chikki are united so that they can unite their entire class and create one big story today. One big story depicting the entire life history of Lord Krishna. Do you want to find out what are Arjuna and Chikki up to in the next unit? Whom will they meet? What kind of crystals will they collect? Do join us on the journey of life of Chikki, and we will see how Arjuna awakens as we progress to Unit 4 in the next episode of Life of Chikki. Shivoham! If you want to join us on this journey of life of Chikki, then please subscribe to this channel. Share it with everyone who loves to learn like the Pandavas. Visit our website arisegurukulam.com to join Arise India now.